Hey, welcome back. I'm Todd Smith with another video teaching you how to make money and achieve financial freedom with real estate investing. Over the years, I've been blessed to teach tens of thousands of investors from newbies to millionaires, so I know I can help you too. But before we get into today's topic, if you haven't done so already, I just want to remind you to check out my free 90-minute online training class about how to buy houses without cash or credit at realestateCashflowSecrets.com. I'll put that link and maybe some other resources in the description for this video. If you're watching this video on YouTube, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button below this video. And for some reason, YouTube made it harder. So after you hit subscribe, you got to hit the bell and then you got to hit all to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the money-making information that I have to share with you, because I do upload videos regularly. Fair enough? All right, let's get started. In this video, I want to talk about a smarter way to hire contractors to do your rehab jobs. So let's say that you have your contractor come out, and first of all, you should be getting multiple bids, right? But you have 3 contractors come out, they give you 3 different bids, and then you decide on one. So now, let's say the rehab job is going to be $30,000 to rehab this whole house. All right? That's a typical scenario. Let's backtrack. First of all, if it's my first time working with these contractors, I'm not going to have them bid on the whole job, okay? I'm just going to have them bid on a small portion of the job. So I'm not going to have them bid on a $30,000 rehab job. I'm going to ask each contractor up front, how much can you get done in a week? Okay? So now, in a week's time, and preferably, let's say that we're rehabbing the whole house. Preferably, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, can you rehab this bathroom in a week? I mean, punched out, everything is ready to go, right? So we're not just talking about, okay, well, I'm going to rough in the plumbing, or I'm just going to do the drywall, because we're going to end up doing the drywall in the whole house, or we're going to end up doing the plumbing in the whole house. Yeah, bump that. I'm talking about how much will it cost for you to get this bathroom completed and punched out in a week. The plumbing, the drywall, the paint, the fixtures, everything, right? Because why? Because that gives me an opportunity to see their completed work, right? So a lot of contractors, they get us hoodwinked into getting stuff started but never finished, right? Because there's a lot more people that can hang drywall. There's a lot more people that can do demolition. There's a lot more people that can do paint that can actually turn out a beautiful finished product, right? So instead of them, okay, and when they walk into this house that's trash and needs $30,000 of rehab, you know, the dollar signs are going to start going off in their head. Yeah, man, I want to bid on this whole house. So when you tell them that, hey, man, I just want you to bid on the bathroom, they're going to look at you like you're crazy. But trust and believe, that's the best way for you, and I'll explain it to them, because they're going to say, hey, this doesn't make any sense. And I'll explain it to them. Look, this is the fastest way for us to see how we work together, for you to do a little bit of work and get paid very quickly, right? Rather than waiting a longer time on doing more work. It gives me a chance to see how you work, and it gives you a chance to see that I'm going to pay you as agreed. So this is a smarter way to hire your contractors, right? Because if you guys can't have a good relationship after a week, and if you can't see a work product that you like after a week, or if you have a personality clash after a week, you definitely don't want him in there for 1 or 2 months tying up $30,000. Okay? So this is a method that I developed because I got tired of contractors stringing me along. And this is field tested. I got tired of contractors stringing me along. I got tired of wondering, hey, I've paid this guy this money. When's he going to finish this work? Yeah, bump all that. All right? So I want you guys to approach your business in a smarter fashion so that you can start to bring more of your rehab jobs closer to being on time and closer to being on budget. Notice I said closer. Okay? Now, another thing you can do, let's say that you don't necessarily need them to rehab this bathroom completely where it's punched out, okay, or this kitchen completely where it's punched out, or this painting project completely where it's punched out. But the bottom line is, how much work can you get done in a week, okay? And it has to be something that's measurable, that you can tell, okay, this is a quality job, this is what I would expect within a week's time, and this is the quality work product that I'm looking for. But the bottom line is you give them a short time constraint, like a week, get them paid quickly and get to see their work product quickly, and then you guys can go on from there. So then from there, you may have the confidence to go ahead and hire them for the rest of that job, or you can keep breaking the job down into instead of just doing a $130,000 rehab job on this house, maybe you break it up into 3 or 4 different stages, and each stage has to be completed to your satisfaction before moving on to the next stage. Okay, so I would do, instead of doing one $30,000 contract that has 4 draws, 3 or 4 draws, I would do 3 or 4 separate contracts, right? Because if you don't want to have a dispute, you don't want to have a legal dispute if the work product is not what you want. You don't want to have a legal dispute, and you don't want to even have a social dispute. It's like, okay, we got this far and we decide we're going to part ways now. So you don't have this other $10,000 or $20,000 or $15,000 hanging out that's in dispute. So I don't want disputes. I want to work with people that want to work with me, and I want to work with people who are easy to work with, and that's what I encourage you to do too. So if you guys use this strategy, I know I'm going to save you several thousand, tens of thousands of dollars, and multiple jobs, possibly hundreds of thousands of dollars. Hey, thanks again for watching, and don't forget to check out any additional resources that I might have for you in the description section of this video. If you like this video, then show me some love with a heart on Facebook or thumbs up on YouTube, and leave a comment below to let me know how the video helped you. If you have any real estate investing questions, go ahead and write those in the comments below, and it just may become the topic of my next video. If you know anybody else that might benefit from this video, then go ahead and share it. Be sure to check out my upcoming videos, and until next time, may all your parents have rich children, and may all your children have rich parents.